Let's start some Bachelor Buttons today. These are also known as cornflowers, and they are super easy to start from seed. You can get them almost anywhere too. I got cheap ones from the dollar store. You can get more expensive ones online in a wide variety of colors and blends. So get your seeds and let's get growing. To start off, you're going to need a container with some moistened potting mix, soil, whatever you choose. You may want to pop a few drainage holes in the bottom. Next, you're going to grab your seeds and you're going to sow them. You don't have to cover these seeds very much, just a little bit of dirt and they'll be perfectly fine. As you can see, I'm just kind of throwing them in, scattering the dirt around on them, and I'll just kind of press them down a little bit. Once you're finished, just pop your pot into a warm, sunny place, and it won't be long before you see sprouts. These seeds sprouted so fast for me. I believe they were up within 4 or 5 days. These seeds do not require light to sprout, so you don't have to worry about surface sowing. And they also do not require stratification. Stratification can improve their germination rates, but it's not necessary like it is for some other varieties of seed. So if you're trying to get 100% germination, go on and put those babies in the freezer or refrigerator. But if you're just dumping a pack into the pot and going with the flow, I wouldn't even worry about it. You're going to get plenty of seedlings. To get an early start, you sow these 4 to 6 weeks before your estimated last frost date, and I'm hoping to see blooms within 8 to 10 weeks of starting these seeds. Hopefully, I'll have a transplanting video up for you guys once our last frost date arrives. In any case, there's not much to starting these little seeds. They're super easy, and they are a great beginner flower. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy gardening.